Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby. That
Weekly heat.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from 4 May to May 10th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So on May 7th, we do have a Nike Air DT Max 96. This is called the Love Letter to Connie. This is possibly the third or fourth colorway that's coming out for this shoe. But you can correct me down in the comments if I'm wrong. This shoe does cost $170, which I think is a good price for this shoe. However, this is supposed to be a Mother's Day shoe, but I don't see no extra little branding though to make it, a Mother's Day shoe. So I think that Nike missed the mark on that. However, this shoe features predominantly all red, and it's like I don't know if it's a two-tone red or it could be. It looks like a little bit of pinkish to me, but the top portion is very red, which I do like, and we do see those all Nike checks in white. I do think that's a nice touch because it does make the shoe pop. So moving around to the side of the shoe, we do see that strap on the tongue, which is the normal for these DT Max. And then if we look around to the back of the shoe, nothing really is popping out to me. I do like that, again, that Air branding in white makes the shoe pop, and then Nike check in white as well to make the shoe pop as well. But as far as being some type of like special Mother's Day shoe, they could have put a heart or something in the back to make it seem a little bit different. This kind of like just seems laziness on Nike's part. And just like a normal DT Max, just all red. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, we do see that red outsole, again with that white swoosh and white that makes the shoe pop. You see that air bubble on the back. I can't really read what it says in that air bubble, but moving around to the toe box, we do see the strap on the top of the tongue, which is normal for all these shoes. And that's pretty much it. They didn't do anything, as far as I can see, any special branding on the toe. But if you look closely into the insoles, we do see it says "Love You," and it may say "Mom," but I can't read the last little wording on it. But it does have some special inscriptions on the insole, and that's about it. That's the only thing they did. So, but if you're wearing a shoe, you won't be able to see that detail. So I'm not paying. I'm gonna go ahead and drop these only because I'm not. I can't say I'm really a fan of the all red shoe. The best red shoes were from Yeezy, the Red Octobers, and this really just missed the mark for me. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I agree with you, my brother. I will be dropping those as well. Well, I mean, to go all red with a shoe, come on now. Let's put some thought behind what we're doing here. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe of the week we do have on May the 10th, we do have that Air Jordan 1 OG Reimagined. This is the iconic color blocking. I guess all the fans love the UNC. I know my brother loved the UNC. This is a family pair. Price point for those. Men are going for 180. Grade school going for 140. Little kids, aka babies, are going for 85, and infants and toddlers are going for 70. I'm really liking this shoe. I just wish Jordan Brand put some thought behind. If you go drop a family set, put some thought behind what these kids are rocking. I mean, hey, they wear these shoes one time and scuff them up. These shoes are no good, right? But they no good. Hey, these babies are rough on a pair of shoes, and you spending 140 for a grade school pair of J's. Jordan Brand, you got to put some thought behind these
Prices.
Oh yeah. Put some thought behind those prices, man. I mean, come on now, 140. That's a little steep for them baby, right? But I'm really liking it because they staying true to the roots of this shoe, right? I like how they incorporated that leather, that cracked leather, and then that aged midsole. What Jordan Brand did with this shoe is the mid-smack box, the boxing of this shoe, right? The lid of this shoe is a lot different from the box itself. But I guess what Jordan Brand was doing here, they want you to use your imagination that these shoes possibly been tucked away somewhere up under the bed or somewhere up in the attic, and you wind up finding them because you was up there looking for something, but you wind up finding this old vintage pair of J's. But saying that, I am a one fan. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I'm a UNC fan, but this color is really not doing it for me. I do have other two UNC Jordan 1s in my collection already, so I don't need these. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna rock these for the color. As far as it is a nice shoe. However, I'm not gonna get these for my collection because I don't need them. I wish they could have done something better with the box. You know, I understand. Like I do love the message that they're trying to send. You know, like they found these tucked away, but I wish they could have just put some UNC blue on the boxes. You know, just to kind of make it more match the shoe. So it's really shocking to, I guess these are just leftover boxes from some other shoes that they found in the warehouse. They
Right.
decided to put these new shoes in there. But overall, this is a clean colorway. I just don't like it. This is more like a vintage UNC colorway. And so I'm more rocking the current colorway that's a little bit more brilliant. I do love the last Jordan 1 UNC toes. And I will have a photo up on screen so you'll know what I'm talking about. But I really love that shoe over these. But I am a fan of these shoes. I will be rocking these. Let us know down in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.